said it before, I'll say it again. I'm not sponsored by anybody, paid by anybody. No one donated any free gifts for me to buy this. It came out of my own pocket to do my own work. So what I'm doing is I wanted to show you or explain a little bit better. We were watching me the other day attempt to show you how I took the exhaust fan motor out of the in-ceiling exhaust fan light fixture. And it was kind of hard to show you up in there, like get light and get the angle right. But I wanted to show you what I was doing. So I was using this Dewalt angle kit that I got, and I've actually been really happy with it. You can see I've already kind of beat it up pretty good. But it comes in 4 pieces: a handle, a shorty, a flexible. So this flexes really well, and it's actually really heavy duty. So I've been quite happy with it. It's definitely not a cheap piece of stuff. So I was kind of a little bit like, wow, that's kind of expensive for what it is. It wasn't like, you know, it wasn't over $100, but it wasn't that expensive. But for what it was, I thought it was expensive. And I was like, and I got it and I played around with it. I was like, oh, okay, well, this is really good quality. I mean, metal and stuff. So anyway, you've got a 45-degree angle you can put on your drill, or you can use the flex, or you can put the flex and then you can add the angle to it if you want, or you can put the flex on the extension here and it clips right in, right? So that's kind of neat. Or you can put this little handle on it to give yourself a little bit more torque, and I don't use this too much, so it may still be a little tight, but so you can put your drill on there and actually kind of like hold it down while you're drilling in, and then it pops right off. So I've actually been really happy with this so far. So if you're looking for a good angle kit to get in some corners that you can't really get into, or 45-degree, I definitely recommend this because it's pretty nice and heavy duty, and I've been happy with it. So anyway, what I was doing was I've got this other kit that I got a long time ago. It's called Hyper Touch. I don't know if you can find it anymore, but it comes with some, you know, basically some flathead, some torque screws. It's got a little ratchet head driver, and then it's got this thing. So what I did was I didn't want to put this on my drill and drill up into that nut, because I was afraid that it would slip off a little bit to one side or the other, and then I'd strip it, or then I'd over torque it. So I elected to use this little hand driver, and then I attached the hand driver to here, right? So it still spins as I'm using it. And then from this kit, I took the adapter, and then from there, I took the correct nut driver. So it's a little jury-rigged, but again, if it works, it's not stupid. So as you can see, as I turn it on my handle, you can see it turning there. So that's exactly what I did, is I stuck it up in there, and then I did it by hand. That way I could make sure I didn't slip off and I didn't over torque it or strip the head of the nut. So again, it's a little jury-rigged, but I've used this actually for a bunch of stuff already anyway, but this works really well. And if you're looking for a good angle bit, there you go. And if you're looking for just a little kit to send your kid off to college, if I can find the link to it, I'll drop it down below in my kits, so you can find it. But I don't think this is very expensive, but this is a good, I don't know why I picked this up, because I've got so much stuff. Oh, I remember, I think I was helping a friend move, and she didn't have any of it, so I just ran down to like one of the stores and picked something cheap, basic, and easy up. And I've actually used it quite a bit since, so I've actually been kind of surprised, as it's, you know, it's not something I'd use on a daily basis in a workshop, you know, or at a mechanic shop or whatever, but just for a good kids kit, like to send your kid off to college or prep school, or just, you know, your sister or whatever, it's actually not been too bad. I've actually got pieces of cut clothes hangers in here, because I actually use that for picking stuff out. That's why it's still in there. Anyway, 2 really good kits. This angle kit from Dewalt is fantastic. Been really happy with it. For what this is, I've actually been really happy with it for as cheap as it was. So I'll drop the link down to it if I can find it below in my kits. So talk to you later. Bye.